What happens when your company's most important application just stops? The website that brings in all your money suddenly goes down, and you have no idea why. For IT teams everywhere, this isn't just a bad dream. It's a constant nagging fear. It's the late-night calls, the frantic troubleshooting, and hours spent hunting for a needle in a digital haystack. This has been the reality of IT for decades. But what if there was a better way? Imagine an IT system that starts to heal itself before you even know it's sick. Picture an infrastructure so smart that it not only fixes its own problems, but can actually predict and prevent them. This might sound like science fiction, but it's the future that AIOps is building, where artificial intelligence helps solve tech issues in real time. It's a huge shift from the reactive, chaotic world of traditional IT to a future of proactive, predictive, and nearly autonomous operations. To really get why AIOps is such a big deal, you first have to understand the chaos it was born from. For years, IT operations teams have been the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, but the tools they've been using just can't keep up anymore. Today's IT environments are ridiculously complex. We're not talking about a few servers in a closet. Think hybrid clouds, microservices, and countless apps all tangled together in a massive digital web. This complexity creates a tsunami of data logs, metrics, and alerts, billions of signals every single day. The result? A nightmare known as alert fatigue. IT teams are drowning in notifications, and most of them are just noise. It's like trying to hear one critical whisper in the middle of a screaming stadium. The most important warnings get buried. This isn't just inefficient, it's dangerous. When a real issue pops up, finding the root cause is a slow, manual process of digging through disconnected dashboards. It's stressful, and every minute of downtime costs money, hurts the brand, and loses customer trust. The old way of just reacting to problems? It's officially broken. So, how do you fix this mess? This is where AIOps comes in. The term coined by research firm Gartner stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. At its heart, AIOps uses AI, machine learning, and big data to automate and seriously upgrade IT operations. Instead of humans manually watching screens and trying to connect the dots, AIOps platforms pull in huge amounts of data from every corner of the IT environment and analyze it instantly. Think of it like a brilliant detective for your tech systems. It gathers clues from everywhere: servers, networks, apps, and uses its intelligence to see the whole picture. It doesn't just see that a server is slow. It understands why it's slow, what else is affected, and what's likely to happen next. AIOps moves IT teams away from the old break-fix model and helps them get ahead of the game. It turns all that data noise into clear, useful insights and often fixes issues automatically without anyone having to lift a finger. This is how you build a self-healing IT system, one that can spot, diagnose, and resolve its own problems. That sounds great, but how does it actually work? How does AIOps turn a flood of data into an automated fix? It really boils down to 3 key stages. First, an AIOps platform needs to see everything. It collects a massive variety of data from all your different IT tools and systems logs, performance metrics, network data, alerts, you name it. This creates a single source of truth, breaking down the barriers that make troubleshooting so hard. It also translates all those different data formats into one common language the AI can actually understand, giving you a complete view across your entire IT landscape. Second, the AI finds the answers. This is where the magic happens. Powerful machine learning algorithms get to work. First, they learn what normal looks like for your system. Then they watch for any deviation from that normal baseline that might signal a problem, spotting subtle patterns a human would almost certainly miss. Next, it connects the dots. Instead of blasting you with 1,000 separate alerts, the system intelligently groups related events together, cutting through the noise to find the real root cause. For example, it can figure out that an app error, a slow database, and a server issue are all symptoms of one single problem. This can reduce alert noise by 80 or 90% and lets teams focus on what really matters. It can even use historical data to predict future problems, like warning you that a server will run out of space in the next 48 hours. And third, it automates the fix. Knowing what's wrong is great, but fixing it is what prevents downtime. The final stage is automation. Based on the AI's analysis, the AIOps platform can trigger automated workflows to resolve issues. These actions can be simple, like restarting a service, or more complex, like automatically adding cloud resources to handle a traffic spike. The goal isn't to replace humans. It's about automating routine tasks to free up your best engineers from constantly fighting fires so they can focus on innovation. This is the core of a self-healing system, one that learns and adapts to keep things running smoothly. So why is everyone so excited about AIOps? The benefits are huge, but they really come down to three things. The biggest win is switching from being reactive to being proactive. By predicting issues before they affect users, teams can fix problems before they even happen. And when incidents do occur, automated root cause analysis dramatically shrinks the time it takes to resolve them. Instead of hours in a war room, teams get a precise diagnosis in minutes. This means more uptime, more reliable services, and happier customers. Next, AIOps cuts through the noise and boosts productivity. Alert fatigue is a massive problem, and AIOps tackles it head-on by filtering out the noise and only showing you the critical alerts you need to act on. Imagine shrinking thousands of daily alerts down to just a handful of important ones. This does wonders for morale and lets IT teams stop chasing ghosts and focus their energy on work that actually matters. And finally, AIOps helps you work smarter and save money. Automating incident response means you can manage more complex systems without hiring more people. It helps you optimize your cloud spending by making sure you are unpaying for resources you do not need. And by preventing costly outages, AIOps protects the company's revenue and, most importantly, its reputation. This isn't just theory. AIOps is already making a difference for major companies. Think about a huge online store during a holiday sale. In the past, a traffic surge could crash the site. With AIOps, the system can predict the spike, automatically scale up server capacity in advance, and keep the experience smooth for every single shopper. Or take financial services, where a millisecond of downtime can be a disaster. AIOps can spot a tiny, weird pattern that points to a potential failure and automatically reroute transactions to a healthy system, avoiding an outage completely. Even in healthcare, AIOps is having a life-saving impact by monitoring the IT systems that support medical equipment and patient records. So if this breakdown was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into the future of IT. What are your biggest IT challenges? Are you already looking into AIOps? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Itomatic.